Hi all, happy St Patrick's Day. Have a good one. I hope you're all enjoying your day, and I hope you all have fun going to the parades and watching it on TV and everything. I'd like to wish my friend Max a happy St Patrick's Day over in the USA. Have a lovely day, and I hope to see you soon. And my other friends, I hope they have a fabulous day. I've got another horsey friend. She's there. She'll be probably showing horses in the parade there. You know who you are, Elaine. So have a fabulous day today. And Jean, Anna, all my good friends out there, have a lovely day today over in England as well. My friends Anna and my mum, and have a lovely day. Enjoy yourselves. Happy St Patrick's Day, Gavin, and your family and the kids. I hope you're all enjoying yourselves. Watch it on TV or on Facebook. You can pick up the parades, the Sligo parade on Facebook, and they do it live, so that's quite interesting. You can leave comments as well, so anyone that's overseas or anything like that can look up on the TV. Or actually, do you know, it's such a small world these days with the internet and everything else. It's fantastic, isn't it? You can be in touch with anyone. Press of a button. So drown the shamrock, enjoy your day, and I'll see you next Sunday. Don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'd like to thank I've got 2 extra subscribers now. Thank you very much to the 2 people that subscribed recently. You know who you are. Thank you very much for subscribing. So remember, thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye all. Hi all. It's Mothering Sunday. I put the video up for you there on Mother's Day, so I've come out. I've been doing a few bits. The local farmer has cut a lot of his hedging, so I'm going to tidy up some bits here. I've already been doing some of the bits. As you can see, I've got a lot to do along here. A lot of the hedgerows overgrown big time. Yeah, so it's a case of cutting back, wearing my gloves because it's quite prickly, some of it, and tidying up. So I'm going to use my chainsaw. Brought some bags up so I can bag up some logs. I've already bagged 3.5 bags already. That's great. You feel good when you're saving some money and you get a bit of heat out of it, because it's blooming cold, I tell you. Got my heated jacket on. I've turned it off now because it's getting a bit warm, but yeah, I love my heated jacket. Wear it in the house. Right, I'm going to carry on. Out. Out. big logs there. Right, I've managed to cut some of that tree back there, and cut a bit more of this back all along here. I'll be taking this one out and that one out. Well, I'll be cutting that back anyway, but I'll take this one out. So I'll keep the holly tree. Yeah, yeah, I think that's enough for today. So I'm really pleased with it. So I've got some logs piled up. I've got three bags, nearly 3 bags full, but I've got logs on the embankment along there. So that's it. Right, I think I've done enough. Bye.
No.
Got my visor on, my headgear and everything.
Another thing. What we need to do is, if it does have a shower,
Yeah?
how can we cover that up? So we don't really want to be.
Have we got another one of those bags?
I'd say we would have, yeah. We
Okay.
can't run it with that on, but
Yeah.
we'll leave one by, and if it starts raining,
Perfect.
right, I'll do that.
Perfect. Okay. Right. I'm gonna.
What that makes the noise now when you start it up?
Yeah. Funny, Vincent. Yeah. Is it working? Doesn't sound too good. It's not working. Oh, now it is. It's the dust in it.
Blow it out. You got the dust in there.
Where do I blow it? Where do I blow it on here? Might not be. It might be not tight. It's not tight. I don't think. Ah, that's why it wasn't tight. That's it. Right, mighty. Right, you can see that I've started the pointing again now, so I'm actually drilling away. I just had problems starting the drill. I just didn't have it tight enough, fastened in. Like I said to you once before, you have to keep blowing it out with the air gun to get rid of any dust that collects in it. So you just have to just keep cleaning it out. So every time you finish with it, or every now and then as you're working away, if you're doing a lot of work that day, just keep blowing it out, and it just helps to keep it free. And just keep having breaks in between. Now I am getting a lot of larger holes in this wall, on the back wall. I thought the front wall was the worst wall, but I'm beginning to think this wall is really bad. It's so bad in some spots. There's a lot of cement on it, as well as the old pointing that's in it as well. So it's turning out to be a bigger job than I thought, but I'll get there. Patience and time. You can see me talking there, but I turned the mic off so you can't hear a word I'm saying. So that's why I'm doing the talk over. With all the noise from the drill, you wouldn't have heard me anyway. I just kept the visor on, and the ear. You need the ear protectors because it is so noisy. You'll end up with ringing in your ears otherwise. You can see there, there's quite a large hole there, just underneath that large stone. So there's a lot of backfilling to be going in this, and I'll show you that next week. So we're just starting all this off again. The weather's been too bad to be doing anything before, because you can't do it anything lower than 5 degrees, otherwise the frost will just ruin it. That's it basically. So I'll show you more next week on it. So I'll just do what I can when I can, and I'll do as much as I can. Like I said, I'm not Superwoman. Who is? Right, enjoy Patrick's Day, and this will be coming to an end in a minute now. So I hope you all have a fantastic time, like I said, and I'll see you all next Sunday. Okay, oh, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and everything again, and subscribe, And I just want to say once again, thank you very much for the last couple of subscribers on the last video. You know who you are. Thank you very much for subscribing. Share as well, because that's important. That gets it out further. So yeah, I really appreciate it, and I'm enjoying doing it. And my dad had been proud of me watching all these videos. If he was here, if he knew I was doing this now, he'd be laughing. I mean, Mum's my greatest critic, so she keeps me on my toes and tells me when to slow down and what to do. So she proves some of it sometimes. All right, take care. Happy Pat's Day. Bye.